Hi, welcome to the first week of online learning. I'm going to show you this little video to help you get started. So you can see we're on the math course homepage. This information is basically going to be the same for every course homepage that you visit. You're at the homepage, you're going to click on modules. Modules is where you are going to find all of your lessons and assignments. So click. I'm going to click again, that didn't work. Didn't click hard enough. All right, last week you might have done the Getting Started module. Great, that would help you know a few things about how to get through the lessons, but if you're like me, it was a few days ago, it was a lot of new information. It's okay to forget things. That's what these videos are for. So we're going to go here to Module 1, Fluently Add and Subtract Within 20. Now, when you see your screen, the only words you'll see in bold are the Module 1 pretest, because you will need to do these all sequentially. But my screen's a little bit different. So you'll click on Module 1 to get started. Introduction to Fluently Add and Subtract Within 20. I want you to look at the top here. It says 1 of 1. So there's not much in this. It's just an introduction, not really a lesson. The arrows would just be how you get through the lesson. So you read through it, get to the bottom, and it says, what is my assignment? It's time to take your Module 1 pretest. Looking, where is that pretest? So if you hit this next button up here, that is just going to bring you to the next lesson. It's not going to show you that pretest. Not a big deal if you make that mistake. You won't find what you're looking for. Just go back. I want you to look on the bottom. Move my video screen over. See this next button here? This is how you're going to navigate to assignments, quizzes, and tests. So I'm going to hit that next button. You'll get a screen similar to this, although mine says take the quiz again. You are going to take the quiz. Remember, it's a pretest. This is just to show me what you already know and what you need to be learning. So it's a no stress, no way to blow this quiz. Just do your best. Don't worry about your results. I especially wouldn't worry about taking the quiz again. This isn't that kind of an assignment. So you go through it, put in the answers. I'm not going to do that. And then you'll hit the next at the bottom. Okay, you hit the next to navigate out of an assignment. Now we're on the next lesson. See here at the top it says 1 of 6. So to move through these, I would read through what's on the page. I would not hit the next at the bottom. We're not ready for that. We're still moving through the lesson. I would click this one at the top. Going to read through it. A little activity here that we're going to do. I'm not going to click into it. Some more stuff to read. Make sure you move slowly. There's a lot. This is not meant to be done in 5-10 minutes. These are week-long lessons. But take your time. Go back to it over a couple days if you want to. Hit that next button. Basically, I would move through all of these lessons with these forward, backward arrows until I am at page 6 of 6. Now remember, don't click through it as fast as I did. That was just to show you what to do. Go to the bottom. It says lesson wrap up. Read the lesson, complete the activities in the lesson, complete and submit the drawn to count on quiz. It's an assignment, it's a quiz, it's a test. You want to go to the bottom and hit that next button. Again, if you read that, complete the quiz, and you hit this button, whenever you're saying, where is it? It's not on the right screen, just go back. Stop, take a breath, look for it. There's that next button. Okay, now remember, I have it set up so you won't be able to go too far. It's going to auto stop you when you're done with the lessons for the week, so you don't have to worry about that either. Yeah, good luck. Have fun. I'm here for you. We're going to learn this together.